So the directions are easy enough. Remove the mirror by prying it from underneath. And then 2, reconnecting the mirror, the wire assembly. And then 3, pressing the new glass mirror in. So I'm going to use these Harbor Freight, body trim removal tools. And I'm going to put the mirror in. It's got a few clips. And here, and this is the part that you just press in place. So this is, understandably, this is going to be, for a heated mirror, and it's not auto dim. So I understand that, and that's no problem, because for the price, not having auto dim is worth it. So I'll give it a shot. I'm just going to say one thing about these clips. These clips really don't clip onto a hook. They actually just, rest in a socket that is inside the side view mirror. So I just wanted to show that these really don't hook on anything. They just kind of go into a groove in the socket. And I thought they actually hooked on to something, but they don't. They're just kind of like a stabilizer that get pushed into a groove. So just wanted to show that. So I marked this one, the top wire here with yellow tape. Bit overkill, but I don't think it matters. And I'm just going to disconnect this. This is probably for auto dim, I'm assuming, but we're not going to be using it again. Disconnected. Bottom. Top. I'm just going to line up this hook with a little groove in here. Let's see if it works out. Just push some pressure. That's, and they're good. It fits good. Perfect fit, snaps in place, and nice and clear. Alright, so that was an easy enough fix. You can see in this light how the fog in the old mirror was and why it needed to be replaced. And again, this is probably for the auto dim, but it was a nice fit, perfect fit. It came in good packaging, and the box here, Dorman number. So this was a, a good buy, and it was an easy fix. I only needed a pair of pliers and this trim tool. I'm sure like a screwdriver or a putty knife could work, but this is plastic, and it seemed to work perfect. I had no problems, and that was a good deal. Okay, so lastly, that was a good fit for that side view mirror, and this fit my stock Chrysler 300c 2005, the 5.7 liter engine. Not that it matters, but it was a good deal, and that's it.